Hey, Jimmy from Cuff N Stuff. We have got big news. You are not gonna believe this one. This is one you're gonna wanna stick around. We're gonna do the biggest giveaway we've ever done on our channel. So, hang tight. Do you remember seeing this? Or how about this? You remember this? Well, let me tell you, the Monument Grill people have graciously provided two, not one, but two Monument 4-burner grills like you've seen me use here, and we're gonna give them away this week on this channel. I can't believe it. You're gonna get a chance to win one of these fantastic grills. And I'm just beside myself. So listen, here's what we've got to do, okay? You've got to win this grill, one of the two grills. You have got to be a subscriber to Cuff N Stuff BBQ. You have to subscribe to Monument Grill's YouTube channel. You have to comment on this video, Cuff N Stuff BBQ. The terms and the conditions are it's only open to residents of the continental United States, and the grills have no cash value. You can't ask for the money, you gotta take the grill. Now, in 1 week from today, next Sunday, we are going to randomly draw two winners. Two winners, can you believe this? And what we're gonna ask you to do is we're gonna ask you to like this video, put the comment, as I said, on this video. When we announce the winners, what I'll need you to do is I'll need you to email me, and I'll give you all the details when we do the giveaway. Your shipping address, and the Monument people are gonna ship you a grill. Can you believe it? Man, I love this grill. When you get yours, you're gonna love it too. So, thanks for being a loyal subscriber, for watching my videos. I would have never believed this little channel would have gone where it's gone so far. So, until next week, hang tight.